こんにちは。Welcome to Free Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make sweet and sour tofu balls. These tofu balls are vegan twist on classic Japanese-style meatballs. The ketchup-based sweet and sour sauce is one of the most popular flavors for Japanese-style meatballs. They are comforting family favorite, often enjoyed as a side dish, tucked into bento boxes, or served as part of a main meal. Loved by everyone from kids to grown-ups, they are always a hit.This tofu version is not only vegan but also healthy, flavorful, and easy to prepare, perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Okay, let's get started. First, mince 1 spring onion, and grate a small piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon.Next, take 300 grams of firm tofu, wrap it in kitchen paper, and squeeze out the excess water with your hands. And place the tofu in a bowl. Add the spring onions,The grated ginger, 20 grams of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of cornflour or potato starch, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and 2 pinches of white pepper. Use your hand to mash the tofu and mix everything together until evenly combined.Divide the mixture into about 15 portions, shaping each into a ball roughly the size of the heaping tablespoon. In a bowl, place 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Sheena uses balsamic vinegar to add extra depth to the sauce, but rice vinegar works just as well. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. In a separate small bowl, dissolve 1 teaspoon of cornflour in 1 tablespoon of water. This is for thickening the sauce.And mix it into the sauce bowl. And mix everything together until combined. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the tofu balls and fry until they are golden brown on all sides.Once they are cooked through, pour in the sauce and toss the tofu balls to coat them evenly. Let the sauce thicken. This should only take about 1 minute. Then transfer them to a serving plate. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, these tofu balls are wonderfully tender, and the sweet and sour sauce adds so much flavor. The hint of ginger and spring onion brightens up the dish, making each bite irresistibly delicious. They are incredibly comforting.Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a quick weekday meal or special dish to share. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。